Hey everyone, so I missed you guys for a couple of weeks for several reasons. Most of you know I've been on vacation, as well as last week and the few weeks before that we had just moved into a new facility and it's been crazy busy. Anyway, we had some great questions, so we're going to go ahead and get those knocked out. But please remember there's going to be a new news feed on our Facebook private page, so you can feel free to ask your questions. So first question comes from Monica Harper. She asks, should I start a trail of Benlysta? My double-stranded DNA is currently 10. It dropped 4 points in the last 3 months since I stopped eating any sugar and grains. That's awesome. I was diagnosed 3 years ago with lupus SLE, and my double-stranded DNA has stayed at 14. I recently stopped taking 400 milligrams of Plaquenil due to eye changes, but there is no problem with eyes per eye specialist. I tried to start taking it again, but had to stop because of itching. I only take supplements right now and would like to know what you think of Benlysta. I have already tried methotrexate, Cellcept, and Imuran, but couldn't tolerate it. Well, Monica, Benlysta is the only FDA-approved medication specifically for lupus. I've personally been on it for over 2 years and plan on tapering off. I do believe it's helped to shift my lupus into remission. Minimal side effects were noted for me, but I do also know of many who had adverse side effects. And because Benlysta is a relatively new drug, we don't really understand the long-term impacts on our body. Such is the reason why I'm incorporating other diets, supplements, herbs, and stress management, and of course exercise to improve my overall health. The good news is that you've already begun the dietary changes. And rather than looking to another drug to help our bodies, long-term solutions will always be creating a healthy environment naturally from the inside. And since you're already taking supplements and you're doing fine, I see no reason why you want to add these toxic medications. So that's my take on it. I hope that answers your question. Second question comes from Mary Popping, and she asks, I'm going to a family doc for my lupus. Do I need to go to a specialist? Yes, primary care or family medical doctors are better at triage. They don't understand the complex disease processes involving the autoimmune conditions as would a rheumatologist. So please research a good rheumatologist in your area and go seek his or her care. Okay? Number 3 is it okay to get flu vaccines for SLE patients? And this is asked by Maricel Rigor Bass. So I have not gotten a flu vaccine in over 10 years, and I've never gotten sick. During the flu season, though, I do take extra vitamin C, selenium, probiotics, and zinc to keep myself protected, and I take a multitude of supplements as well. I'd recommend flu shots for those who are over 85 and those with a weakened immune system. So it is recommended to me by my rheumatologist every year, but I always refuse. It's a personal choice for me. Rather than me swaying your decisions one way or the other, I'd much rather you make informed decisions. Some of you may experience worse flu symptoms with the flu shot. So for me personally, I would prefer to work on enhancing my immune system rather than shooting myself with a flu shot, which is in essence an inactive virus to produce antibodies should I get the flu. And as an autoimmune patient, I already have antibodies to foreign invaders, so much so that it's affecting my cells. So logically, I don't see how flu shots would help me, is my reason for not taking the flu shots. But you can make your own decisions. So last question comes to me from Mary again. She asks, what is the Lupus Elimination Diet? Well, Lupus Elimination Diet is a way to figure out what foods your immune system is responding to while healing your gut lining. It's a gold standard method to find out your food sensitivities by eliminating them from your diet and then strategically reintroducing them back after 28 days. It not only allows your body to reset, but also has an anti-inflammatory effect on our bodies. It's in our Lupus Rebel private Facebook group under Files. You can find Elimination Diet Guide there. If you need further help, of course, we've got a host of digital products and services available to you. I hope this has helped, and I apologize for not showing up for the last few weeks, but going forward, we will try to be here. Don't forget, on Monday, there's going to be a new feed on our Facebook post or Facebook page with the Q&A post pinned to the top. So ask away, and I'll see you guys next Friday.